Hi guys, welcome to another Swift Drive video. I have a package in from Japan and this is something for the interior, and it is very small, but it's a foot pedal set from the lovely people at Beatrush Japan. And I've been looking for a pedal set for quite some time, and I basically just decided to go for this set, which is probably, if you're into Swift boards, something that you are familiar with. Meanwhile, as you can see, I'm struggling to open this. There we go. So, a foot pedal set for the Swift Sport, which I do not have, but oh well, a 1.5 will do. I'm going to open this together with you guys. And then we will see what this is. As you usually have with Japanese parts, is that the products come with all the screws necessary, but also manuals that are needed. And these are in Japanese, but they are easily translatable. There we go, mounting instructions, probably a set of warnings as well. And these are the pedals themselves. I'm going to open this with you as well. So I have a manual, as you can see. I think they make this for an automatic as well. But here we have the first of the bunch. Beautifully machined, by the way. I'm just looking for any sharp edges, and they are not there. Very nice. And these are separately packaged. And there should be two of these. Ah, there they are. So, yeah, fantastic. So the only downside to these pedals is that the hardware is silver, which I don't really like. So I'm probably going to switch that out for something in black. But I must say that I'm also thinking about painting these pedals, maybe a different color, but more on that later on. I mean, this is how it will look. I mean, it's not bad, but I care about these details, so I prefer a black bolt, so probably I will be replacing those. They're super light because it's aluminium, but yeah, it's a very basic set, no branding on there. That's something that I really wanted, to keep it a more OEM look, but still an upgrade to what is currently in there, the plastic rubber pedals. Yeah, finally I have a set here, so I'm happy with those. I will be installing them later. I will share a video about that as well. Thank you for watching. Hope you liked the video. Make sure to like this video, subscribe, follow me on socials, and see you in the next video.